Friday, CenterPoint Energy agreed to move forward with its rate review that has been in dispute since August.
But at the same time, the energy company pitched its plan to raise rates to recoup costs from the response to the derecho back in May. Investigator Amy Davis is here to explain what's happening now and how it's going to impact our electric bills. Amy?
Yeah, and Sophia. So it was last March that CenterPoint asked the Public Utility Commission for a $60 million rate increase that would have added about $1.25 a month to the average customer's bill. Well, that's when the leaders of more than 40 cities in CenterPoint's coverage area said, wait a minute. They say they have evidence that CenterPoint is overcharging customers already. And after many, many hearings, they have explained that to the PUC. Well, last August, after Hurricane Beryl, CenterPoint said, forget it. We don't want to talk about it anymore. We're going to drop it. And then just 2 weeks ago, this is a quick summary of the arguments at the last PUC meeting.
CenterPoint respectfully requests that the Commission grant this appeal, allow the company an opportunity to maintain momentum on completing important resiliency improvements before the next storm season.
There's no reason and certainly no good cause to postpone this rate case any further. Customers are being overcharged millions of dollars each month this case gets delayed.
CenterPoint would be allowed, by having their motion granted, to effectively continue to over-earn, continue to overcharge ratepayers.
All right, so after that whole dance Friday, CenterPoint told the PUC it would continue to negotiate with cities on a fair rate increase. The city representatives, by the way, think there should actually be a decrease. But now, completely separate from that, CenterPoint also filed with the PUC requesting to raise rates to recoup $450 million that it spent on crews and repairs after the May derecho. They want to charge customers about $1 a month over the next 15 years to pay. And if approved, that new rate increase would begin in the second half of next year. So, and Sophia, keep in mind this doesn't take into account Hurricane Beryl at all. They will be presenting another sort of rate increase for that. And with this resiliency plan, it's looking something like a $5 billion increase.
Oh boy.
A lot more numbers to work through, yeah.
A lot more numbers, and they do them separately, and that's why these rate regulators like say, hey, wait a minute. I mean, when you're doing 30 increases over 4 years, it's hard for us to keep track of, what you actually need and what you spent.
All right, good point.
Yeah.
Thank you, Amy, for keeping us posted on this.
Sure, yeah.